So this has been a question that has been a thing for a while. Jeans. And I've spoken about jeans so many times in terms of the negative aspect of them, not wearing jeans, telling you to go the opposite way of wearing jeans. And I tell you ladies to dress in a really feminine way and a girly way, something that stands out from the crowd. Most other women are wearing jeans, and unless maybe they have an office job and they're kind of wearing like more of a tailored dress or whatever, but if they are going out casually, I feel like predominantly most women are wearing jeans. If you want to stand out from the crowd, then you have to dress in a way that other women aren't. And most women are wearing jeans, so you need to stop wearing your jeans. And I feel like it's as simple as that. Plus, when you want to have that really, really feminine impact on a man, let's speak about jeans from that standpoint. Of course, if you're wearing jeans, it's a no-brainer. Really tight ones, high-waisted, practically showing your camel toe, then yes, you're going to be able to see the feminine figure. But is it something that is sexy and cute casual? Or is it something that you would actually see and think, wow, jeans are so feminine? You wouldn't say that. You wouldn't say that. They're not feminine, but they show the feminine form. That is the hang up I think some people have on wearing jeans. If you wanted to get around it and you wanted to wear denim, then do a denim skirt. But because denim is actually a nice fabric, but it's not a feminine fabric, it's not something you would say, wow, denim is so girly, oh my gosh. You really wouldn't say that. When you are putting your clothes on, when you're even going into the shop and you're purchasing, would a pair of jeans look nice with this top? Would a pair of jeans look nice with this girly top? Of course it will, because jeans go with absolutely everything. Will it show my feminine form? Of course it will, because if you're wearing some tight jeans, then yes, they're going to show that feminine form and they're going to show your butt crack. Yes, because the jeans go right up there. We all know this. And I mean, it's the same thing when like I wear my leather trousers, but I feel like if you're wearing like a good quality pair of leather trousers, it just does something different. But anyway, I digressed. So with the jeans, yes, it goes with everything. It's going to look cute with any top you pull out of your wardrobe. But do you look like this innocent, you know, sexy but she doesn't even know it type of woman wearing those jeans? I feel like you just look like a basic Betty, basic Bianca. Yes, you can wear jeans, and yes, you can maybe pair it with something classy like a tweed jacket right now for this weather. Yes, you can wear a pair of heeled ankle boots with it. Yes, and it will look nice. But is it the most feminine you can look? If you're trying to be the most feminine that you can personally be, and this is it for me. I want to be feminine. I want to have that femininity about me. I want that to be a thing, and I just personally don't feel like I can do it to the fullest with jeans. So this is why I kind of push the jeans out of the equation. Like I said, if you want to, you can do a denim skirt, because it's still a skirt and a skirt is girly. Taking it back to femininity, what do you think about when you think of a feminine woman? You think of, well, the first thing that comes to my mind is a dress. The second thing that comes to my mind is red lipstick. And the third thing that comes to my mind is nails done. And then perfume. So these are the things that kind of spring to mind when I think about a feminine woman. There are so many things that start springing to mind when you think about femininity, and jeans are not within that realm. They don't come into your mind when you think about something that is feminine. Obviously, the reason why I'm speaking about this is because this is a dating, self-improvement / femininity channel, which challenges women to grab hold of that femininity by both hands and make the most of it. That's what this is about. Granted, you can get approached. You can obviously get approach wearing jeans. You can get noticed wearing jeans. You can look attractive wearing jeans. You can look pretty wearing jeans. You can get some of his wallet wearing jeans. Yes, you can. But are you being the most womanly woman you can be? No. You're being basic because you're just wearing the easy option, which is jeans. Ladies, let's say you are at you're in a restaurant, or at an event or something where there's a bar, and you are at the bar. You're standing up at the bar with your drink, and you're just enjoying your time there. You are wearing a pair of jeans. Okay, you're wearing a pair of jeans, you're wearing a nice top, and you're wearing a pair of heels, you have your hair done, your makeup done, your nails done, feminine voice controlled to capacity, and you just feel amazing. And then in swans this figure of pure feminine energy. That's how she looks. She's wearing maybe a pink dress, and she's not revealing too much skin, so she looks like a classy lady, but at the same time she looks very girly, very feminine. She looks soft because she's wearing a soft color. She has her hair down, she has some length and maybe some volume as well. She has red lipstick on, a beautiful strong seductive scent as well. And she comes and she stands right next to you. For me, it is a no-brainer who is going to look more feminine and who men are going to notice and be more drawn to. In fact, you might even find that people are coming over to speak to you just to get closer to her and then start talking to her, because that is what guys do sometimes as well. So ladies, I want you to tell me in the comments, who do you think looks the most feminine out of you two at that point, from that scenario? Who do you think as a man, a very masculine man, would be more drawn to? Let me know in the comments. So there's nothing wrong with wearing jeans, but are you the most feminine you could be wearing those jeans? The answer is going to be no. In my opinion, the answer is going to be no. If you want to look like the most feminine woman wherever you are, then choose the most feminine outfit. Feminine outfit means, what outfit would a man not be wearing? Well, like a masculine man not be wearing. Would he be wearing a pink dress? Would he be wearing a pair of heeled, Mary Janes? Would he be wearing a nice lace dress? Would he be wearing a nice tweed two-piece? Would he be wearing that? Would he be wearing his hair long or adding curls into it? Would he be wearing a nice, like luxurious ponytail? The answer is going to be no. He's not going to be doing those things. So that tells me that that is feminine. I want you ladies to make the most of your femininity. I want you to make the most out of it in terms of knowing what it is, using that to your advantage. And you're going to notice that certain people are not going to be approaching you, because there are certain people who would only approach women who wear certain things. And that goes for when you're dressing more classy. There are certain men who are only going to approach more classy looking women, and if you're looking more, revealing, then certain men are going to be approaching that. If you're looking more feminine, then more masculine men are going to be coming over to you. And if you're giving more basic Betty or basic, Bianca, basic whoever vibes, then you're going to be attracting the basic guys as well, right? So you've got to see that the pendulum does swing both ways. But this is just supposed to be a little eye-opening video for you, so I'm going to love you and leave you here. But I would like to give you a little bit of homework first of all, which is for you to just push yourself to dress the most feminine that you can, and see if that turns things around. See if that makes men stop looking and start approaching even more. See if it changes the caliber of men who are approaching. See if it changes with your outcomes when you are beneficial dating as well. I would say that the answer to all of those scenarios is going to be positive and it's worth the try. So if you haven't tried it, then try it and test it. It's there for the testing. And yeah, let me know in the comments your thoughts, your views, and I'll see you in my next video.